Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall. Wagwan my people, Dancehall Skilla there again with more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Manners and respect, you see it? Yeah, big up. Alright, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you that are being talked about on social media, and one of the reasons why I'm presenting these videos to you is because they are being talked about on social media. Now, first things first, I am going to present a video to you that had been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. The video that I'm about to present to you shows some things that happened when law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica arrested or detained persons who they believe might be involved in criminal activities. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to how many persons have been arrested or detained by the police within the country of Jamaica, but the video shows a certain amount of persons who had been arrested or detained by the police. If you listen to the video carefully, you can hear when at least one person who was talking in the video mentioned a certain location. So that might give you an understanding as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica the video was recorded. See, now I didn't get any confirmed information if law enforcers found any form of weapons on those persons who had been arrested or apprehended by the police. You see what I'm saying to you? And please bear in mind that this video shows persons who was laying face down on the ground, and the video also shows law enforcers pointing guns at their direction. So before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think about this whole situation. Observe.
Yo! Yo, look how much all soldier too.
Yeah, man. They like them a trail like here.
Yeah, man, a trail them a trail this.
And police step on the scene.
Yeah, trail them a trail this.
Like them what they don't want to shoot up the car because they ride Brunswick, from the Brunswick.
From the Brunswick, yeah.
First, the Brunswick or whatever.
Yo.
Coordinated event. The police them are running there from the side. Yeah.
Come up here, so we be so a couple man in that time them a be
yeah,
so.
Man, I don't know which gang lad them are going to get you now. But the big things. Yeah man, big things from the Brunswick right at Shoppers Fair.
Yeah.
That's it here, that's it here. Yeah man. Squads of police, squads of police.
Trail them a trail this.
Some man like that. Yeah man, them want to get them out man. Without an incident, go for the dead body and get picked up. I want the gas station camera pick it up.
Yeah. Then catch some bad man, man. Almost bad man, then you make so much police trail them.
Yeah man. See there? 2 car load, 1 car there so, 1 there. And 2 over there so.
Holy fuck, yeah.
Yeah man, see them put them on ground there now. See police them have them out there now.
Nobody move.
Yeah man, that look like a SWAT.
SWAT team that
yeah,
man.
The SWAT team man.
Alright my people, so when it comes on to that video that I just presented to you, there's not a whole lot of information about the whole situation, but one thing for sure, this video is being talked about on social media. So I will do my best to get more information about the whole situation. However, I only got a certain amount of information about the whole situation. See, it is said that law enforcers acted on information that they got, and a certain amount of persons had been arrested or detained by the police within the country of Jamaica. Now, the information as to how many persons had been arrested or detained are not confirmed properly to my knowledge. See? And you know, I just gonna do my best to keep you up to date and posted with this whole situation, if possible, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so one thing about now, the video is being talked about on social media. You can let me know what you think. Alright, and with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that have been posted more than one places on social media with words that says Queen's Park, Savannah. At least one place where I saw the video been posted on social media claimed that the video had recorded at Queen's Park, Savannah. So may I say? But anyways, the video that I'm about to present to you shows tents and or parts of tents floating in the air because of heavy winds. Yeah, I got the understanding that the video shows certain things that float in the air because of how hard breeze did that blow. So me my people, and this video is being talked about on social media because the video shows certain things floating in the air because of heavy winds. You see me? I'm gonna like to look at this video and tell me what I think, viewers and subscribers. The first time I saw this video, I thought that it was a hurricane, but the more I watch the video, I get the understanding that it wasn't a hurricane. I just breeze that blow hard. Heavy winds. Alright? Anyway, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Yes, man.
Fuck.
Don't play with Mother Nature. Yeah? Mother Nature, don't play with her. Me say my people, me think a hurricane, but on a hurricane. I just heavy winds lift tents or parts of tents up in the air, and the tent them things that just float my people. It just really and truly look away. I think I can understand why the video is being talked about on social media, and I really, you see me? Yeah man, I think I can understand, you see me? Don't play with Mother Nature still, my people. You see? That's the whole thing. Don't play with Mother Nature. Yeah man, so you know, just one of them things there. My people, so you can let me know what to think about that video, and I really, you see me? As how me get the video, and as how me get the information, as how me tell you. I'm gonna move on to another topic. Now, I got information that the Maryland Court of Appeals have ordered the resentencing of Boyd Malvo. Now, for those who don't remember, and for those who don't know, Boyd Malvo got multiple life sentences without the possibility of parole for being involved in what is called a killing spree. Boyd Malvo and a man who goes by the last name of Muhammad committed crimes that altogether killed and caused injuries to more than 9 people. I can't remember how many persons died exactly from the amount of persons who got injured, viewers and subscribers. So I say, and Boyd Malvo is said to be a Jamaican born. Yeah. Anyways, listen. Within the year 2002, Boyd Malvo, who was 17-year-old at the time, and a 41-year-old man who goes by the name of John Allen Muhammad, was involved in what is called a crime spree for about 3 weeks. Yes, I answer my people. It is said that the crime spree left a certain amount of persons dead and a certain amount of persons injured, and Boyd Malvo and John Allen Muhammad had been captured by the police within October the year 2002. So, in 2006, Boyd Malvo was given 6 life sentences without the possibility of parole, and the 41-year-old man who goes by the last name of Muhammad was given a death sentence penalty, or he was given a death sentence. And in 2009 he was executed. And you know, this whole thing is being talked about all over the world. Boyd Malvo also pleaded guilty to a certain amount of those crimes, viewers and subscribers. But anyways, based on information that I got now, and listen to this now, see? So it is said that in 2017, Malvo filed a motion to correct what he claimed was an illegal sentence under a Maryland law, based on a 2012 U.S. Supreme Court ruling barring or banned mandatory life sentences without parole for juvenile offenders. See? So he was 17 at the time. You see me and some people, if you notice me mention certain things. So in 2001, the Maryland General Assembly abolished life sentences without parole for juveniles. So in my point of view, it seems as if this Boyd Malvo I work with, you see, forget a resentencing. So according to information that I got, it is said that the court ordered that Boyd Malvo is to be resentenced. Yes, I mean I say yes, so he's going to be resentenced based on information that I got, viewers and subscribers. Yes, I mean I say, hey, let me tell you something, you know. Guess one time the news about Boyd Malvo reached out there in the world, my people, because the social media did about, but it never did big like now or so. See me I say, but in the time that Boyd Malvo name did they all over the world I talk about, you know, if you're a young man who is involved in certain things like this. See me I say, let me tell you something, man. People who born close to 2000 and over the year 2000 might not remember, but people who born from in the 80s and the 90s might remember. You see me I say, my people, Boyd Malvo. Said the man name talk about all about now the world, just be news reports and them thing there at the time. Yeah man, so this is the information I get about him, the people. So I could see what go on now. I could see what go on. See it? So yes, I left it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.